And that refund coming after AG candidate John Eccles was mentioned in a grand jury report about Sarah Polston's release from prison after only 73 days.
As you just heard, Polston and her husband were recorded during jailhouse phone calls discussing their relationship with a candidate and former lawmaker, John Eccles. News 4's Lauren Henry joins us now live in studio. She's been following this story for us tonight. Lauren.
Allie, Kevin, even though a multi-county grand jury didn't find any evidence that Eccles played a role in her early release, he has returned over $3,000 donated to his campaign by Rod Polston.
Sarah and I are freaking bulletproof.
A multi-county grand jury investigation sparked by Sarah Polston's early release after she served just a little over 2 months of an 8-year sentence for a DUI that nearly killed Michaela Borrego. Along with the investigation came the release of phone calls between Polston and her husband, Rod.
I'm going to do everything to get you out of there as fast as I can.
The grand jury did not find criminal misconduct in Polston's early release, but criticized the state's GPS program and found, quote, instances of political favoritism reprehensible.
I've got John Eccles, too, and he's going to be the next attorney general, and he's got connections as well that he can help out if we need it. So
that's Sarah Polston's husband, prominent tax attorney Rod Polston, referring to Republican candidate for attorney general and former Oklahoma lawmaker John Eccles.
How much power does the AG have?
He's been in the system for so long, he's as well connected as they get. So he'll be a good one to have on it, if we need him. So. And then I'm probably going to be getting back in the old political arena to help out much as I can with whoever's coming in next.
The grand jury stated they did not find evidence Eccles was involved in Sarah's case. The Polstons did donate to his campaign, and now he's returning over $3,000. Eccles' campaign manager telling us in part he had nothing to do with that case, adding Eccles has a history of being tough on drunk driving and will continue to do so as Attorney General. Eccles is the latest politician to distance himself from the Polstons, who sounded confident about what their connections could do.
You let me work it from the top.
And lawmakers passed a law banning drunk drivers who cause severe injury from qualifying for the GPS program. It goes into effect in November. The multi-county grand jury recommends another law to require a minimum of their sentence be served before qualifying to go home with an ankle monitor. And Sarah Polston's attorney told us in a statement, quote, the phone call in question was in the context of Mr. Polston comforting his wife, who was scared to go to prison. He was telling her he would reach out to his state elected official, the attorney general, to make a complaint should she face any danger while incarcerated.